I want the civilian family. I'm not happy, and there is something I want to tell you people. I know that some of you know it already, but it is good we share it. Tell you about how I feel about it. Some people in Africa, in Nigeria, in Edo State, in Benue, in the Nigeria Southeast and Southwest, some people from the north, the blood-sucking Fulani, may think they can colonize us again. They call it cattle colony. They want to impose their force us, to accept their religion by force. That is what this killings is all about. They don't need land for grazing. Don't let them deceive you. They need land for grazing. They don't need land. Their brother in Kano offered them land. They refused it. They said it is our land that they want. Well, we are ready. But it is time for us to get up now and start to defend ourselves. The Fulani killed 5 people today in Edo State. 5 people in Edo State today. And I'm not happy. Why I'm not happy is that my people cannot just go to Kano and be terrorizing people, fighting their farmers, killing people, telling them to give them land, or they die. My people can't do that. My people cannot just go to Borno and be terrorizing people in Borno. My people cannot go to Katsina, Buhari's stupid state, to be telling farmers there they need land by force. Then why coming to our land, terrorizing my people, killing my people? Few weeks ago, not even up to 13 days, few weeks ago, our Edo women, Edo farmer women, they went to the palace to beg the Omonoba Nedu Uku Apolopolo over Ewari II to help them and warn these people to stop coming to their village, to stop destroying their farm crops, to stop killing them, to stop terrorizing them. They were all crying, lamenting there just a few weeks ago. But today, Fulani went to the north, Edo North, Eshaland, and killed another 5 people. This same place, they went there before and killed and beheaded that woman and raped that woman. Now they just killed 5 innocent people. People in their own state, in their own land. You leave your northern stupid state, God-forsaken region, and come to our region and terrorizing us and telling us to give you land by force. This is what I just want you people to know, and I am not happy. And I don't think any reasonable person will be happy, seeing foreigners, seeing terrorists, blood-sucking people coming to your own state and killing your own people. Definitely you will not be happy. According to our Yeye governor, although I don't have anything against Governor Obaseki, I don't have anything. This your stupid war, PDP, APC. I don't give a shit though. What I care about is my people, is my state. What I care about is my state. This is not about your stupid APC, stupid PDP. This the truth about my people. That's what I care about. The governor said nobody should retaliate, killing Fulani. That the security agents will do their job. And no vigilante group should be organized, to counter the Fulani X-Men in Edo State. And the governor said he will not tolerate the killing of any Fulani X-Men in Edo State. The first time for our governor to use that kind of language, that he will not tolerate any killings of Fulani X-Men in Edo State. Instead of the governor to be telling the Fulani people that he will not tolerate the Fulani coming to his state, killing his own people. But he is not saying that our people should not form any vigilante group, that he will not tolerate the killings of any Fulani who left their state, who comes to our state, killing our people, terrorizing our people. About a month ago, it's not even up to a month now, somebody were killed in Edo State. Fulani killed somebody in Edo State. And the vigilante in that community arrested them. They said they want to hand over them to the police, but the army came and started shooting at the people. So my people, this is not about grazing. grazing. They need land for grazing at all. We know what this is all about. They are trying to conquer us. They are invading us now. They want to take over our fatherland. That is what all this Fulani S-men nonsense is all about. That is what it's all about. Can't you see the way the Buhari is covering them? Buhari is defending them. So I'm saying I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy at all. I don't like these people around my people. Don't come to my state again and killing my people and think Edo is not Benue. Edo is not Taraba or Kogi. It can't happen. This mass burial they are holding every day in Benue, in Kogi, whatever. It can't. No, it can't. It can't happen in Edo State. It cannot. Because they have to get... Look, Obaseki. Well, I don't want to be too much emotional. Just want to take it, little by little and be cool about these things. 5 people in nation land. They just keep 5 innocent people in nation land in Edo. These people, they are in their own state. Their own state. Imagine what their family will be going through. Now, person going through the kind of pain in that family. Because when you don't lose somebody, you will not know how painful death is. I imagine what the people are passing through in that community, in that village now. You cannot, students, they said, I think final year students among the people they killed. You cannot just leave your state and be coming to that person's state demanding for land. I don't want to shout. I just want to, let you people know how my Edo people feel. Edo is not Benue. We cannot, this is mass burial now. These 5 people is what, it is also mass burial now. We cannot take this shit any longer. And the governor, you have insulted Edo people. The governor, you have insulted Edo people with this your language of you will not tolerate any killings of Fulani Esme. Fulani Esme who left their state, killing people in your own state. You should be telling the Fulanis that you do not tolerate any Fulani coming to your state, killing your own people. Not warning your people, you should be warning the Fulani. Or now you now order the arrest of the Fulani. You say they have to you promise 7 days. You say on that 7 days they will be arrested and they will be persecuted. You are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself, Obaseki. You are deceiving yourself. Deceiving yourself. You are just saying this rubbish to deceive the people, but you are deceiving yourself. Obaseki, take note. Take note. Edo will not welcome this rubbish from your slave masters in Aso Rock. This rubbish sending their Fulani terrorists, Fulani Esme terrorists coming to our land to be threatening my people, terrorizing my people, killing my people. Edo State will not tolerate it. We will not. We will not. You better find solution to this nonsense now. You better find solution, and the solution is to ban open grazing in Edo State. If you want to stop this problem, it's ban open grazing. Let them take their fucking cow to their state. Because they are saying that there are some rich sultans that owns cow, that employ this Fulani, we don't give a shit. Let them go there. Let them go to go to the north and go and continue their cow business there. You can't do the life of human beings worth much than gold. Worth much than gold. We cannot sit. You can't be terrorizing people in their own state, or else those citizens will rise up and take up arms against this blood-sucking Fulani X-Men. We will take up arms. We will, because this is Edo State is not Benue. This is not Benue. And we say enough is enough. We will not wash and continue, we will not sit back and fold our hands and this Fulani Esme continue to kill us, continue to kill our people in our own fatherland. We will not. So the person should take note. If you want to play politics, you are playing politics now with the life of your people. You are trying to be loyal to those slave masters, or to your slave master, or Shomole. You are trying to be loyal because Shomole introduced this non-term political party, APC, to Edo people. We know nothing about Buhari and his political party.
We don't know them before. Obaseki want to cover his own house. He loot so much money from Edo State. For him to be free, he now introduced Edo State people to APC, and he posed Obaseki on us. That is what all this nonsense is all about. We don't want to be part of this Hausa Fulani blood-sucking people. Because Obaseki, your first, second, and third obligation are to your own people, Edo people. Not your political party. Not your political party. To your own people. Edo people want a total ban on free range grazing in Edo State, because that is the only way you stop this nonsense, this Fulani nonsense. We want total ban. We don't want it. We don't want it in our land. Because you want to be loyal to these slave masters who put you in office. Those Fulani politicians in Aso Rock. That's why you make that statement, say you will not tolerate the killings of any Fulani. Fulani left their own state. Now coming to our state, killing your own people. And you are warning your people, instead of you warning the Fulanis that are coming to your state to kill your own people. What is wrong? What is going on here? Why is it that all the South, the people we elect, we make governor, they are slaves? They are slaves now. What is going on? This is kind of stupid talk. Okorocha will talk. This Okorocha kind of talk. This Okorocha kind of stupid talk. Governor of Delta State kind of stupid talk too. Ebonyi State kind of stupid talk. Anambra State kind of stupid talk. What nonsense? What kind of nonsense is this? Oh, you are not serious, because Obaseki is not serious, deceiving himself. He is deceiving himself. Security and mostly the police, all security agents, or mostly the police, are not under the control of the governor. The governor don't control them. If the IG of police, can disobey the president, they will know the governor. So don't tell us they will be arrested. We should give you 7 days. You know the Fulani people, police or soldier, they will not arrest Fulani. They can't arrest the Fulani. Their brother is in Aso Rock. They know what all this killing. They know what it's all about. They care. You are deceiving the people. You should be sounding warning instead of warning your own people. Warn them. Don't come and tell us we should give you 7 days. They will be arrested. That's a lie. They have been killing in Benue, killing in Kogi, killing in Taraba, killing in wherever, Jobi. Nobody's arresting them. You should be warning them not to come to your state. Tell them to carry their cows and go to the north. Edo cannot tolerate this. You know how Edo look. We can't be doing mass burial in Edo. We can't. Because of you belong to APC, you want to be slave, then go to north and be slave. Like I said, this is not about your political stupid party, APC or your PDP. No, this is the life of my people, my state. So we have to give you this warning. You have to get up now from your sleep and slumber. And defend your own people before it is too late. Before it is too late. What kind of nonsense is this? Leave your state, come to my state and killing my people, and the stupid governor is still warning us? Thank you.